So let's now make and run the migrations. So I'll reach out to manage py and call makemigrations. And it crashes. Probably because I have a typo. Yeah, post, that should be models.model, not models. And that's what this error is telling me, that there is no models class I can use. So a simple typo in the models.py file, which I fixed now. And then I can repeat make migrations, and I get another error. On delete set null, but cannot be null. And that makes a lot of sense. I want to set this author field to null if a related author is deleted, but I haven't added null equals true here, which I need to do though to allow Django and SQL to write null values to that field. So now I add null equals true here, and now with that, we can again try making those migrations. And now this worked. Now I also want to run the migrations, and therefore I'll now call migrate. By the way, if you didn't have a DB SQLite free file yet, it should have created one automatically. If you're facing any problems there, just create one manually as shown to you earlier in the course and try migrating thereafter. With that here, it ran all these default migrations for the admin area, for example, and then also my custom blog migrations here. And that means that now we got that initial database structure and these core tables set up. Therefore, now let's create a super user so that we can log into that admin area. We do this with Python 3 in my case, manage py, and then create super user. Hit enter and pick a username, followed by some email address, and then a password. And I'm again using a rather insecure one, which is why I'm getting this warning. Of course, you can pick a more secure one, but I'll confirm my insecure one here. Now this super user is created, and now we can try logging into admin. It should work, because if we have a look at our main project-wide URLs, we have this admin URL here as well. So if we now start our development server again with manage py run server, I should be able to visit localhost 8000/admin, and I am able to do that. Now if I enter max and my super insecure password, I can log in, and I also see all my data here already, my models, because I did register them for administration. Now let's get started working with that.